Hi guys and welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 tricks and tips of how to maximize your earnings, potentially earning you hundreds more per month on Doordash. So if you're a fan of that type of stuff, definitely hit that thumbs up button. I already have a part 2 lined up for this video, so if you like this one, definitely consider subscribing. It will provide you amazing information which will maximize your earnings. You win, I win. So without further ado, let's get started. And first, when starting off, let's talk about what is most important on Doordash. Time. Your time is money. The most amount of time you can use toward delivering in an hour allows you the most amount of time to earn the money. So the first trick is decline all the bad offers, bad delivery offers. And you might be thinking, that's really obvious, I already knew that, I'm going to click off the video. But hold on. It might not be for the reason you were thinking. When you do Doordash, Doordash provides deliveries to different dashers. And Doordash provides good offers, it provides bad offers when there's no peak pay and people don't give tips. But when you accept the bad offers, you're essentially letting Doordash know that you're willing to take the bad offers that people are declining. So Doordash will give you the bad offers when other people decline it. When you decline these offers, not only are you temporarily telling Doordash this offer isn't worth my time, you're also letting the app know that you're not gonna take all of the bad offers. So when you decline bad offers, it'll not only prevent you from getting bad offers that time, it'll also prevent you from getting bad offers in the future. When you decline, choose the option too small of an order, and Doordash won't give you orders like that in the future. Tip number 2, avoid the busy restaurants. So you know which ones they are. If you've dashed for a while in your location, you know which ones they are. For me, a bad one is Chick-fil-A. And I'm by no means saying Chick-fil-A is a bad restaurant or a bad fast food. It's an amazing fast food. But that's what's bad for dashers. If the fast food is super busy all the time, and Chick-fil-A, every time I go, there's like at least 10 people in the drive-thru. It takes forever to get that person's order, and just sitting there waiting for the order takes like 30 minutes. So time, once again, is money. Ignore the super busy restaurants. It will save you in the long run. Even if an order is like 3 miles for $10, you'll spend like 20-30 minutes in the drive-thru. So essentially you're going to be getting about $10 for 45 minutes or an hour, and you definitely don't want that. So time is money. Remember to conserve your time in the best ways. Number 3, avoid the long distance deliveries. And by long distance, I mean from 12 to 15 plus miles. For the obvious reasons, it's a really far distance to drive, which means it'll take your time. Not only that, if you're going in a busy time, the freeways may be super packed, which will slow down your delivery time, once again slowing down the amount of money you can be earning in an hour. Not only that, you're not going to only have to go 15 miles in one direction, you're also going to have to come back if you're going from a city location to a more rural location, and that once again will take your time and also will put more miles on your car, require more gas, but that's not that big of a deal. So yeah guys, these are the first 3 tips to maximize your earnings on Doordash, potentially helping you earn hundreds of dollars more per month. If you like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see a part 2, hit that subscribe button and tell me in the comment section below that you want to see a part 2, and I'll try to put that out for you guys as soon as I can. But anyways guys, I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next one.